Hello everyone. So today my name is Chef Aditya from the Manor Hotel, New Delhi. Today we are going to make kadhi pakoda, kadhi cheese pakoda actually. It's a very staple diet. Kadhi is a very staple diet in India, and here the twist is making a cheese pakoda. So without wasting time, let's start. So for that, so we are just going to take a safety precaution first.
लाइव है ना आ गया ना
Because I'm putting my mask. If I'm not audible, please do let me know. Chef Pawan is making video for me, so he will assist me. So for that, I'm going to use some besan. And I'm just putting everything in a pot. So guys, either you can put a tadka first and make the curry and start the curry, or you can just make a curry ka jhol and then you can put a tempering later on. So here I'm just making a curry jhol first and then we will put a tempering. Here I'm using Amul cream, Amul yogurt. Well, actually I'm just taking it off because I think I'm not audible. So guys, some part of water to this. And what we have to do, we have to just stir it quickly. So the curry will not be lumpy. Otherwise it will get curdled away. Let's turn it on. And when you start making curry, so it is very necessary to keep stirring till it gets the first boil. Otherwise, if you don't keep stirring, it might get curdled. So it's a very basic thing. Like I have put yogurt, besan, and some water to this, and stirring it.
it's a
And
voice
meanwhile-
problem.
Voice problem. Am I audible now? Please guys assist because you're not able to hear anything.
Sound not clear, chef.
Sound not clear. I just put turmeric powder after this, and we are just keep stirring.
No sound.
Guys, I have taken out my headphones. Am I audible now? Please reply.
Yes.
Perfect. So see, here it has started getting thick because of the besan. So guys, what people do generally at home, like they got too much besan. So after that, like you don't get a proper curry ka flavor. So here we are using very less, like almost if you are using 100 gram of yogurt, so you should not use more than 7 grams of besan. So that's the part. So see, now the boil has started. Boil has started. You can just see, have a look. So now my curry has reached to the safe zone. So I will add some more water to this. A quick stir, and we shift to the cheese pakoda.
Sir, speak loudly, please.
Okay. So for the cheese pakoda, I just taken a bowl, some potatoes to this, Guys, don't worry, I have using gloves. So, and even during this pandemic time, as much you use gloves at your home also, it will be better for your kids and anybody in your family. So guys, quickly I've just mashed it very fastly, and in this we are going to add some Kashmiri chili powder. Yeah, I'm adding a pinch of salt to this, not too much because I will add salt to my batter, and cheese already have some salt. Quickly green chili to this. Chop adrak, chop ginger, and chop coriander. Just quickly mix. And to this, I will add some amount of spinach, which is shredded, and we have blanched it. More loud. Guys, I'm sorry. Actually, I'm doing it outdoor, so I'm doing it in a beautiful lawn. So please stop like scolding me if I'm not that much audible. So it's done. So now, what we are going to do, we will make our besan batter. I'm just taking it off. And put another fresh glove. So guys, curry is something like everybody, like all age group, they love curry pakoda, and like in the southern part of India, north part of India, like I'm sure like at least in a month, like people like they enjoy curry pakoda, and basically it's been said curry chawal. So but some people eat curry along with the roti and all. So for the batter, we will be using some besan. Actually, I use this only. This will be better. Thank you, Chef Papa. Great toast to Chef Papa. I am keeping my stuff here. So guys, let's come here and then we will add things to this. I'm adding turmeric powder, little bit of red chili powder. I'm adding again some ginger. So guys, be careful because we have already added some ginger to that, to the cheese stuffing, and some green chili, chopped green chili. And one more thing, like if somebody wants, they can add ajwain, but personally, like I don't feel that ajwain will go very well with the cheese. So now we will add water to this, and make sure you will not pour all the water all together. So you can just make a thing to this. So we will add some more water again. Well, many people, they use soda and all at the home, but I think it is not required if you are like aerating your batter very well. So the best part, if you want to make a very light batter, so make a batter and keep it for few hours. So you will get the best aerated water, and then again briskly stir. It is done. I just keep it for a while. I look into my curry, what's happening here. Wow, I'm getting a very good aroma of yogurt and the besan together. Very nice. So here our stuffing is ready. Our batter is ready. I will make small balls. So, guys, we are not doing very fancy dish. We are not doing very fancy plating. So we just want to keep our ingredients very basic. We want to keep our dish very basic, and the plating it will be something what you can easily do at your home. So here we have made cheese balls, and also like if you want to keep cheese balls again in the refrigerator for maybe 30 minutes and so on, so the like cheese will come really nice. It's sweating because I just want to use like outdoor, so it's a very nice. So see, it's done, and it's in. So 2 balls with the batter what we made, and 2 balls you can add some more chopped palak, spinach, which was already blanched, shredded and blanched. So we'll quickly do it without wasting time. So people will have like question like what should be the temperature there. So I think it should not be more than 180 degrees Celsius. Wow, wow! I love this sound. Yes. So guys, we will not cook it for a long time because the batter is only coating. Batter is only for coating, guys. See. So now I will just give a rest for 15-20 seconds, and then we will put it back. So Pawan, are we getting some questions?
Yeah, we have lots of questions,
So,
but
please,
the
please.
voice is low.
Voice is low.
Yeah,
Am I audible now?
guys.
Guys, how's the Josh? Come on. Am I audible now? Any answer?
Yeah, very low. Increase volume.
Increase the volume. Can you just help to increase the volume from there?
Yep.
From the phone. So guys, after 15 seconds rest, we are just shocking it again, shock frying. Because cheese no need to cook because it's already processed, so we are just cooking a very thin layer of batter which is outside. So guys, as you can see, a nice crispy crunchy pakora. So guys, one more thing, if you want to make it really crispy, you love crispy pakoras, you can add some chawal ka atta to this. So guys, sorry for the network connection. So last where we dropped, so we already made our pakoras, our curry is ready, and now we have a pan for the tempering. So let's turn it on. I'm using mustard oil for the tempering. So some people like they heat up the mustard oil a lot, but here we will keep some pungency of the mustard oil because which really complements to the chickpeas flour and the yogurt growth.
Chef, one more question. Chef, what are you making today?
So we are making curry cheese pakoda. Guys, again sorry, like I will just completely repeat. So this is the pakoda with the cheese stuffing. And now we are going to tempering our curry.
Great.
Yeah. So guys, mustard oil is heated. Now quickly we will add some mustard seeds to this. Few seeds of methi dana. One chili. Lots of coriander seeds. Yeah. Once it starts spluttering, you can see. Now we will add chopped garlic. Chopped garlic goes in. We'll just saute the garlic for 10-12 seconds. And now time to add some sliced onion. If you want, you can add some chopped onions if you don't like sliced onion in your food. So garlic and onion will cook together. So we no need to like make a sliced onion caramelize properly. Here we will just make it a translucent. See, a nice blend aroma of the spices, garlic, and sliced onion is coming out. Time to add some curry patta, which will give a nice flavor to our curry. Now you can see our garlic is cooked, onion is translucent. Now I will turn it off and add turmeric again. Some red chili powder. And guys, just give a small mix. And now time to add some chopped ginger and chopped green chili. If you don't want to make it more spicy, then you can skip it. So our pakora is ready here, and everything is done. Now time to add our besan and kadhi ka jhol. Pawan, please go, and it will be off
Yes, sir.
because of the heat. So on my side station, the pan. Now guys, you can see a nice color is coming out from this, and I can feel the aroma of this. Some people add sliced potato to their curry. Some add like sliced spinach to their curry. Some people make different types of pakora. Guys, here we are just making a cheese pakora by using a beautiful product of Amul. Chef, can you just like show to our audience the products? So guys, like we will cook it for another like a minute, and meanwhile I will get ready for our plating. So we can just quickly show them our ingredients, what we have used today. So guys, meanwhile I'm just getting ready for our plating. Curry is pretty much done. So guys, as I mentioned, some people eat with the rice, some people eat with the roti, but curry pakoda is something which is staple in South and North. So here I have some steamed rice, so which is hot, and I have put in the small bowl, and I have just greased my bowl with some oil and water. So I'm just going to put in this for our plating. It's a very simple, very easy. Anybody can do this at home. So it goes here. Just take it off so I can do my final plating. Guys, this time I'm going to add some salt. I know I missed salt in the beginning, but that's fine. You can see a beautiful color of curry. I turn off my induction, and some people add curry, ghee in the curry, but here we are using butter. So what you can see, like all the fat is coming on top. It will emulsify along with this butter. Just have a look. And butter will give a nice richness to our curry. Guys, you can't imagine, a very nice fragrance is coming. Now time for plating. So I'm just going to put my curry on top of rice. Guys, as I mentioned, it's very simple, easy. You can impress your wife, you can impress your girlfriend, you can impress your husband, boyfriend, whatever. See, I reserve some curry to top up my pakoras, cheese pakoras. It is sitting on top here. Just put one more. And some chili on top. Should like this. Guys, the best way to eat curry to make a day before of the consumption. If you want to have it in your lunch, so make it a day before. So now, just to finish it up, I'm just putting some crispy curry leaves. It's easy, you just pluck curry leaves and deep fry them. I'm just putting some curry leaves on top. Here I have oil, mustard oil, which is cooked along with the chili. So here I'm just putting some red oil on top, which will make it more beautiful, guys. And never forget Indian herb, which is dhania. So sprinkle some dhania on top. You can see a nice vibrant 3 different colors: green, yellow and red all together. And never forget to clean your plate. So it is very important to clean your plate. So guys, curry cheese pakoda with the steamed rice is done. Chef, you can just make a focus. If you can zoom it, I don't know it works or not. Guys, so any question anybody has in your mind, so that you can ask. Chef, anybody has question?
No, not now.
No question?
No.
Okay. Thank you guys. If somebody has any question,